At Talus, we offer a selection of professional-grade tools designed for every stage of the bookbinding process. Whether you're just starting out or honing your craft, our tools exemplify quality, reliability, and durability, everything a serious binder needs. Let's begin with one of the most fundamental tools, bone and Teflon folders. Available in various shapes and sizes, these tools are essential for scoring signatures, folding materials, and burnishing edges. Their ergonomic design and durable materials ensure clean, precise folds every time, reducing frustration and improving your results. Next up are Talus rulers. Crafted from flexible stainless steel with a non-slip cork backing, they provide stability during use. The acid-etched markings won't fade or wear, and the square-cut edges guarantee exact measurements, so you can work with confidence and without any guesswork. A sharp, accurate knife is also a must-have in any bookbinder's toolkit. Whether trimming paper or cutting through dense boards, the right blade makes the difference, delivering clean cuts and saving time. For delicate trimming or threading, a precise pair of scissors is also invaluable, especially when working with thread or binding tape. When punching holes in signatures, precision is key. Our awls give you greater control and cleaner results than makeshift alternatives like thumbtacks or needles. Their balanced design reduces hand fatigue and improves accuracy, making your work smoother and more professional. For sewing, it's important to pick the correct bookbinding needles and threads. Our needles have rounded, polished eyes to minimize friction and protect your thread, while our lightly waxed thread ensures smooth, snag-free sewing. You can even apply wax, like this, to any thread of your choice for added flexibility tailored to your project. One of the most important materials in bookbinding is PVA glue. Our Jade 403 is a professional, standard, pH-neutral, acid-free, and flexible when dry. It's versatile, applying with a brush, microliner, or in stick form, allowing you to choose the best method for your project. These traditional glue brushes, made with natural hog hair bristles on solid wood handles, work great for applying glue, as well as conservation brushes that are metal-free to prevent rust and degradation over time. To hold materials securely during gluing or sewing, bag weights are indispensable. Brass and triangle weights provide even more pressure and help keep your work aligned and squared, ensuring professional results. Throughout every step of your bookbinding process, quality tools make all the difference. At Talus, we're committed to supporting bookbinders and craft-based individuals with tools they can rely on, tools that meet the highest standards and cater to your specific needs. Whatever the project, we're here to help you do it right.